In the same way, you can find the seller surplus by the area above the supply curve but below the price. Suppose the equilibrium price for producing tea is 6 rupees. So let me do the usual demand and supply curves, or in this case just the supply curve. So here's quantity and prices, so quantity and price. And let's suppose that the seller is willing to sell 1 unit at a price of 2 rupees. Okay? And then the second unit he is willing to sell at a price of 3 units. And we continue this way. 3 units he is willing to sell at a price of 4 rupees. Then the fourth unit he is willing to sell at a price of 5 rupees. And finally, the fifth unit, the fifth cup, he is willing to sell at a price of 6 rupees. To supply 5 units or to sell 5 units, how much is he willing to accept as a total compensation? So you can say it's 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So how much does that come to? Equal to 20. Now we said earlier that the price is 6 rupees and he is selling 5 cups of tea. So the total amount he is making is 6 into 5. So revenue is equal to 6 times 5 is equal to 30. So then again, just like with consumer surplus, you have a situation that he is willing to accept 20 rupees, but because of the way the market operates, he actually makes 30 rupees. So then there is a seller surplus of 30 minus 20 equals to 10 rupees. So this is the producer's surplus. Now what I can do is I can join up all these points, and this would be your supply curve. And then I can also mark the price, which is at 6 rupees. So then what would be the seller surplus? Just like with consumer surplus, it will be the area below the price but above the supply curve. So the part which is shaded in